The Google Pixel 7 Pro is the latest and greatest flagship smartphone from Google. It features a new design, a powerful new processor, and a triple-lens rear camera system that takes some of the best photos and videos you'll find on any smartphone. Design and display. The Pixel 7 Pro has a new design that is both sleek and modern. It has a metal frame and a glass back with a new camera bar that stretches across the width of the device. The Pixel 7 Pro has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything from scrolling through menus to playing games look and feel incredibly smooth. Performance. The Pixel 7 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor G2 chip, which is Google's custom-designed processor for its Pixel smartphones. The Tensor G2 chip is incredibly fast and efficient, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Camera. The Pixel 7 Pro has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 48MP telephoto sensor with 4x optical zoom. The Pixel 7 Pro takes some of the best photos and videos you'll find on any smartphone, and it excels in all lighting conditions. Battery life. The Pixel 7 Pro has a 5003 mAh battery that easily lasts all day on a single charge. Even with heavy use, you can expect to get around 7-8 hours of screen-on time from the Pixel 7 Pro, no expandable storage. Overall, the Google Pixel 7 Pro is one of the best smartphones on the market. It has a great design, a powerful processor, an excellent camera system, and long battery life. If you're looking for a new flagship smartphone, the Pixel 7 Pro is a great option to consider. Recommended for anyone who wants the best Android smartphone possible. Photographers and videographers who want a smartphone with a great camera system. People who want a smartphone with a clean and simple software experience.